Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about a very simple but important topic. What is accounting? Many people think accounting is only for big companies or accountants. But actually, accounting is something we use in everyday life even without noticing it. So, what is accounting? Accounting is a process of recording, organizing, and understanding money related activities. In simple words, accounting helps us keep track of money. It helps answer questions like how much money did I earn, how much money did I spend, did I make a profit or a loss. That is the basic idea of accounting. Now, let's understand why accounting is important. Accounting helps people and businesses track income and expenses. It helps us understand whether money is growing or reducing. It also helps with planning future spendings and making better financial decisions. Without accounting, it becomes difficult to know where money is going. Let's take a simple real life example. Imagine you have a small shop. Today, your total sales are $500, but you spent $300 on goods, transport, or other cost. Now, what happened? Your profit is $200. This simple calculation is accounting. You record how much money came in and how much money went out. That helps you understanding whether your business is doing well. Let's learn few basic accounting words. Income. Income means money you receive. Expense means money you spend. Asset means something you own. For an example, like cash, stock, or vehicle. Liability means money you owe to someone else. These are very common words in accounting, and understanding them makes learning accounting much easier. Let's quickly recap. Accounting is the process of recording money activities. It helps us track income and expenses, understand profit or loss, and helps us make smarter financial decisions. The most important thing to remember is this: accounting is not only for businesses, it is useful in daily life too. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.